Welcome everybody to Pathfinders trainings. And a question I get these days is our stock market going to crash? Just a few months ago, when the Nifty was at 12,000 and 1100, the only question I used to get from people is how much more will it go up? And these days, I'm asked how much more will it go down? So most people react very emotionally to the market. Is our market going to crash? I don't think our market is going to crash, but yes, a healthy correction is very normal into the market. If you look at my analysis that I've been doing for the past few months, let's go back into those analyses and see where the market is. And as we see, the market is just doing its regular correction, which any market will do when it becomes very expensive. Let's again revise. You know, this was the market just before the election results. Exit polls had not yet come, and this was the high the market had made, and this was the closing it had done before the election results. Then exit poll came before the results, and the market gapped up, right into the high with the BJP likely to win. So now, this is the day before the results are announced. BJP wins with thumping majority and the market cracks down. If you'll watch my video of the election result day, you will see I made a nice 66,000 rupees that day by this candle, the single large range candle. Then the market consolidated for a few days, but eventually, since it is too expensive, a 29.8 Nifty correction is bound to come. It has to come. Economy is not growing as strong. So a mismatch between the fundamental and the technical, and profit booking is the natural thing that happened. So this is another level you mark. That means this is a gap the market has left. And if you go back the last 20 years, the Nifty has never left a gap unfilled. So, and let's draw more levels. This was the low level from which started jumping up, and this was the level from which this move started. So, won't be very surprising if the market, as it does its correction, comes back to the level of 10,600 maybe by September or so, maybe even earlier. But by Diwali, this looks like to be a normal, healthy correction for the market. Now, this is not crash if it comes down. This is a very healthy correction by which the investors can re-enter into the market. So I'll call this as zone 1, too expensive, zone 2, euphoria, expensive, zone 3, market coming down to fill the gap, zone 4 will lead to more correction, and this would be the medium term correction for the market, the zone 5. So till the time market comes to 10,600, it is a very healthy correction that is happening for the market, and this means our Nifty, our index is doing a profit booking, and let's see how the market has gone. The market went up from here again, and you see it is making doji candles. If you understand them properly, you can make good money. And that's the first sign the market gave here. Evening star pattern, the lows are coming, highs are becoming lower, and finally it closed below the zone 1, moved towards zone 2, consolidated on this level for some time, tried to go up, failed, small range candles came down, consolidated on this level. So you can see the pattern. You can see very clear-cut pattern that is coming. Broke this level, come down, and you will see the same pattern that you saw earlier. You see there was this small rally that came. You will see this small rally, then it will start correcting down, and I think till 10,600, this is just a healthy correction in a bull market. But if the market cracks below this, if the market cracks below this, then it might start coming down. And this is where most of the buying of the market started. This is a buying level. So those who want to start rebuilding their portfolios, and that's what we have in plan, that if the market reaches these levels, the whole world market is a little scary now, very expensive. We have started hearing rumors about the Deutsche Bank. We already have our banks in trouble. We have non-banking finance companies going down. We have a Yes Bank crash. We have a DHFL crash. We have a Jet Airways crash. And every week there is some crash coming up. So if all those skeletons come out, FPIs withdraw their money. So this is a healthy level to start building your portfolio. And this will still take the Nifty P maybe to about 24, 25. Uh, Anything below this will start a bear market. So till the market is here, this is a healthy correction in a bull market. This is not a crash. This is a healthy correction. Only when mark this level of 10,000, when it goes below this, then the bear market is there. Bear market is there below this level. Around this level, you will see the bear market, and this one is a healthy correction in the bull market. It's a healthy correction in the bull market is what we are seeing now here. This is a, and if I look at this market, this is the trend of the market, which it is holding for the moment. It is holding this level for the moment, and this is where the support is coming. Today, we had a support around this level, and if this level breaks, then of course the market can come down towards this level. So I don't think there is a crash happening right now. A very healthy correction is happening into the market. Let's look at the Bank Nifty. And Bank Nifty also has come down to these levels, doing its corrections, and around this level, if I put in, so already a 50% correction has happened from the up move, and this is a good support. If it breaks below this, then about 6,000 could be the level that you could be looking at Bank Nifty. At this time, almost more than 80% of the stocks in the NSE are below their 200-day moving average, below the yearly trend line. In fact, hopefully by Ganpati, we will have a nice stocks available for portfolio building, and Diwali might be a great time to start rebuilding back your portfolio. Learn it. I'll be talking more about it in the night session. I have a session 9 to 11 in the night where I'll be picking up a few stocks. You can join me there. The joining link is below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you get your regular updates into this. Thanks for listening to Pathfinders trainings, and see you again into one more session. The market is going through a healthy correction. It is not yet a crash, and I hope it doesn't crash. For the moment, it is just a healthy correction in the market in the Nifty till 10,600 levels. Bye-bye. See you soon.